In this video, we'll show you how to change the headlight bulbs on your Nissan Altima. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Nissan Altima safely. Unclip the hose connecting the coolant reservoir to the radiator. Using a fork, remove the two clips from the textile cover. Then, using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the plastic rivet from the washer pump fluid reservoir hole on the bumper cover. Remove it with a fork. Then remove the orifice. Remove the seal. Protect the entrance to the washer pump fluid circuit by plugging it with paper towels to prevent impurities from polluting the circuit. This will allow you to access the light bulbs of your headlights. To increase the lifespan of the bulbs, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. To change the H9 high beam light bulb located next to the grill assembly, remove the light bulb socket from the headlight housing. Turn it counterclockwise and pull it out. You can use a screwdriver to help you. To remove the socket, press down the retaining tab, then pull out the socket. You can order the bulbs used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new bulb. Put the new bulb into the socket. Then, insert the whole thing into the light and turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Remove the paper towel. Put the neck filler back in place, making sure the lower pin of the seal is correctly positioned in its slot. Then, put the washer pump fluid reservoir retaining rivet back in place. Clip the textile cover back on. Clip the hose back on. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. To replace the low beam light bulb, you need to remove the wheel to gain full access. Now you need to remove the mudguard. Using a fork, remove the 3 mudguard retaining rivets. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the 2 other rivets holding the mudguard in place. Remove them with a fork. Using the Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the screw holding the bumper cover to the mudguard. Using the Phillips screwdriver and the fork, unscrew the rivet holding the splash shield in place. You can now pull back the mudguard. Disconnect the connector by pressing on the plastic tab and pulling it. To change the H11 low beam light bulb located in the car's chassis, remove the light bulb from the headlight housing, turn it counterclockwise and pull it out. Take the new bulb. Put the bulb into the headlight housing and turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Plug the electrical connector back in. The turn signal light bulb is located completely outside the light next to the fender. Take the bulb socket and rotate it counterclockwise. Then remove it. To remove the turn signal light bulb, simply pull on it. Take the new bulb. Put the new bulb in the socket. Then insert the whole thing into the light and turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Put the mudguard back in place. Then put the rivets back in place. Run the splash shield through the bumper cover. Then retighten the retaining screw. Then you will be able to put the wheel back on your vehicle. Put the car back on the ground and block the wheel properly. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right.